3D GIS in the Cloud is a cloud-based application that provides decision makers, stakeholders, professionals, and public users with 3D views and 3D analysis tools of spatial information. The application offers information-based decision-making tools of urban and rural environments in a smart 3D city model. The application can be accessed by any standard-compliant web browser and is also available as an iPad app. Two of the most difficult to answer questions confronted by urban planners, designers, and architects are what impact does a proposed project will have on the city skyline and how will it affect the viewshed of neighboring buildings. 3D GIS in the Cloud provides an intuitive and easy-to-use tools that can simulate how the project is planned to be built. Let's see how easily this can be achieved using 3D GIS in the Cloud. Let's assume that an organization is planning to build a new building on the parking lot we see below, located in the center of Philadelphia. Now let's navigate to a neighboring rooftop and evaluate the expected viewshed impact. We can use the Identify tool to retrieve the building information. The information is taken from the designer's GIS system, such as ArcGIS. We can see that the building height is nearly 80 feet, about 30 meters. From this viewpoint, we see downtown Philadelphia ahead of us, and we can even see the Cathedral Basilica of Saints Peter and Paul. The viewshed is quite clear. Now let's see how easily we can add the planned buildings to the 3D city environment. First thing we need to do is to create a new layer. The New Layer panel, which opens on the left pane, allows us to define the appropriate connection to the structure's source and name the new layer. Our building is a SketchUp model, therefore we select SketchUp from the drop-down menu and name the layer New Building. In the following window, we choose the building's model from the list of available models. Now we position the building by picking an alignment point near the center of the parking lot. We can see that the alignment coordinates are updated according to the location we pick. We click the Add Layer button and we can see the new layer that was added to the list. The next thing we need to do is to add the new building onto our scene. Confirm the build process in the prompt dialog and will be notified when the process is complete. We can see that the new building was added to the 3D scene and that it is located at the parking lot where we intended it to be. But as we see, some positioning adjustments are required. We click the new building layer and click Locate. We select the new building by using the Select Object on Map tool. We click Save to finalize the building alignment process. Now let's navigate back to our neighboring rooftop and evaluate the viewshed impact from the addition of the new building. We can see that even though the new building is planned to be built within line-of-sight limits from the building to the cathedral, the view to the cathedral is mostly clear and the impact is minimal. When decision makers are required to decide on future city plans, such visualizations can provide them with many perceptible benefits. The 3D GIS in the Cloud is also available as an iPad app. The app provides the same extensive querying and analysis tools that are available on the web application. We can zoom in and out, tilt and rotate the view using the iPad conventional gestures. We can tap and hold the building to retrieve its information. We can also see the new building that we just added. We can take a 3D measurement near our new building. The 3D GIS in the Cloud is currently the most innovative web publishing application of three-dimensional GIS data. It can be used in a wide variety of use case scenarios. The application is offered in a cost-effective licensing model that can be adjusted to meet any client, from a small office to governmental bureaus' specific needs. For more detailed information about the 3D GIS in the cloud, visit www.sivandesign.com.